This is the intro to Long Hair Pretty Nail Show. Yeah.
Hey y'all, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be trying out Anacrylics. I don't know how many comments I've got asking me to try Anacrylics, Anacrylics, Anacrylics. So yes, here we go, Anacrylics. So I got a bunch of the powders I'm gonna try and swatch and do a little nail design. So a lot of you guys wanted to know what I think about it. So let's get to it. All right, so this is how it came. I ordered the Princess collection because, you know, with so many colors to choose from. And first thing that I noticed when I opened up this package is how big these jars are. This one is the clear and it is huge. So just for reference, this is a Mia's Secret 1 ounce bottle. And then this is the crystal clear acrylic powder and it's huge. I believe this one may be a 2 ounce. I don't know, it doesn't have the, I don't know, it's big though. These may be 1 ounces though. You know what? I think this might be the same amount. This seems like this may be 1 ounce. I don't know, y'all. I just get this stuff and I review, okay? So let me go ahead and take all of this out. This little bag is so pretty. I think that is a really good touch. We have a thank you card. It says, thank you for supporting Anacrylics, and got all the social media handles and a gift. It's cute. What is this? I don't know what it is. I don't know. I'll find somewhere to put it. I like cute stuff. So yeah, you get a little gift, I guess, when you spend a lot of money. All right, so let me go ahead and open these all up. Let's see. This first one here is called Tiana. And like I said, this is the Princess collection. So that's why I guess they will have princessy names. Ooh. Okay, so as you guys can see, it comes with these little stoppers and that color is beautiful. It's so vivid. Next we have Ariel. Ooh, a nice pigmented, deep in your face red. That is really pretty. And this color here is Snow White. And this one here is Jasmine. Uh-oh, nice little turquoise. Sleeping Beauty. And this one is Cinderella. It is a very light blue, kind of blending in with the bottle. And this one here is Mona. Ooh, okay, I think I know what color I'm gonna use. This one is Belle, and that's a pretty soft yellow. This one is Rapunzel. Ooh, that is pretty. I love purple. And finally, we have Maleficent. This is a black. Like, it's like a black hole. Oh my goodness, it's so black. And we can't forget about the crystal clear. You know, I love clear nails, so of course I gotta try the clear. Oh, it's a little hard to open. And the clear. All right, so let's do some swatches. I'm using my Long Hair Pretty Nails size 8 acrylic brush. And I also got some other sizes in the brush as well. We have a size 10 and a size 12. So if you are interested, head over to longhairprettynails.com. I'll leave the link down below.
Bruh.
That one just fell on off. And these are the colors side by side. They are extremely pigmented and they seem like they're gonna be easy to work with. Not too runny, not runny at all actually, but we shall see. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do some prep. I've already trimmed my nails down and I'm just gonna go in with my cuticle pusher and push back my cuticles. I now have these cuticle pushers available on my website, so if you are interested, make sure to check out the link below. And then I'm just gonna use the opposite end to scrape up any of that cuticle off the nail. And then I'm just gonna take my cuticle bit and work this around the cuticle area to further get up any of that skin and stuff on the nails. All right, so now I'm gonna glue on these nail tips. I'm using the Young Nails brush on nail glue. Let's put a little bit on the tip here. You just need a little bit. This stuff is strong. And I'm just gonna place it on my nail. This pinky's a little crooked, so I have to overcompensate when I put on my nail tip. But anyway, I go ahead and hold that in place for a few seconds, and I'm gonna do that for the rest of the nails. All right, so we got the tips all on, and I love how these tips are. The shape is just everything. All right, so I am going to go with the orange. I think that was the color Moana. I hope I'm saying that right. I didn't watch that movie from Disney, so I need to look up how to say the name. I think it's Moana. So I'm gonna use this orange because Beyonce and Ivy Park said so. I'm gonna use clear because I saw that these colors are extremely pigmented and I do not want my nails to stain. I had some staining from a yellow I used. This was like years ago and it took forever to get out. And people kept questioning me like, what is that yellow stuff on your nails? Like, it's just acrylic, it stains. So yeah, I don't want that to happen again. So I'm gonna use clear acrylic as like my base. And then we're gonna go in with this orange. This orange is so beautiful. All right, so we're just getting my area all together here. And I need a little bit more monomer. Oh, y'all, it's been a while since I've done acrylic, and oh my God, this monomer is like so, oh, it's stinky. I guess I just got used to acrylic monomer just from using it all the time, but since it's been a while, oh my God, it is like, it is so stinky. But we will push through. So I'm gonna go in with my primer. Gonna go in with the clear just so like I said, this orange won't stain my nails. Just an extremely thin layer. You know what, I'm gonna do that for all of them just while I'm doing it right now, because I'm gonna be using this orange for majority all of the nails. So let's go ahead and put that base down for all of them. Oh, this is taking me back to put a thin layer of clear. I used to do this all the time before the whole polygel craze. Okay, you're gonna place that right there. So one thing I will say about this is that it's definitely not runny. Like it's, I don't know, it's like dry. It's not dry, but it's like a drier powder. So you definitely have time to work with it. I like it. And it's super pigmented. Just gonna work this down the nail. Ooh, this is pretty. I don't know, it's gonna take me a little getting used to, but yeah, this formula it's definitely like not runny. Like that is a good thing. Okay, so I just picked that bead up and we're just gonna let that polymerize for a second. And then we're gonna place that down. Trying to get as close as I can without touching my cuticle. All right, but yeah, one thing I do like about this is it gives you time to play. Because as some of you guys know, I work really slow. So I need time to be able to, I need time to be able to get up mistakes like that. All right, and I'm just gonna pull the rest of it down. Yeah, I feel like if you are having trouble with acrylic, these powders are super easy to work with. Like you can learn with this. It honestly doesn't work like anything else that I've tried before. Trying to keep these thinner, on the thinner side, but you know, with the correct structure and all that, but I don't want them too thick. But yes, I love how when I place a bead, it stays where it's supposed to. Okay, I was trying to get close, but getting a little too close there. All right, so Okay, I have all of the orange laid the way that I want. And for these two fingers, I'm gonna do a clear French, but the base is gonna be orange. So let's see if I can pull this off. Yeah, I think it's not a problem. It's just a different formula than what I'm used to. You can really just like sit here and wait, but it's not runny. Like it's still, this is like some voodoo magic. This is crazy. So yeah, I just have to wait until it polymerized just a little bit so I can, you know, mold it where I need it to go without it just falling apart. Ooh, but that smell looking good. This formulation will definitely teach you your powder to liquid ratio with practicing with it, because you really don't need that much monomer. But like I said, this is my first time using this, so I don't want to hear it. But yeah, this is my first time using this, so I have to kind of get used to what this powder is gonna do with the liquid. So it may look like I'm all over the place because I am. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this second nail bed area. But yeah, I am still working with this same bead. This is like, oh my God, this is sorcery. Like, is this even acrylic? What is this? So yeah, I'm gonna hold this on the brush for a little bit. That's what I've been doing now. That seems to work the best for me. It's just to hold it on the brush a little bit, let it polymerize, and then go in. Cause you gotta wait anyway, so. But I just place that where I need it to be. So we're gonna file these. All right, so now we're gonna go in with a clear. All right, so I picked up a little bit, well, a lot of bit. And we're just gonna go ahead and tuck this right along the smile line here. All right, so I got all of that laid, and this is what it looks like so far. Now I'm just gonna get to my shaping and filing, and you guys haven't seen this in a while. And that's because I've been filming at night, and so this thing is really loud, so I just haven't been using it, but it's daytime, so I can crank it up because it's loud. So after doing all of my hand filing, I'm gonna go in with my medium grit safety bit. All right, so we are all filed, shaped, and buffed. So I'm gonna do a little bit of Adidas inspired. So I'm gonna go in with some white gel polish, and we're just gonna do some stripes. So I'm just gonna keep this simple, and we're just gonna add some cuticle crystals. All right, and I'm just gonna top coat the rest of these. And I'm also gonna put some top coat underneath the clear tips just to make it extra clear. I typically don't like to do that, but since the tips aren't like super clear, it would have been glass-like had I sculpted these using nail forms, but I didn't feel like doing all that. So I'm just gonna put some clear underneath these and call it a day. Ooh, but these turned out so cute. Alright, so lastly, I'm just gonna apply some cuticle oil. I got some cuticle oils in the mail in my business mailbox from Love by Verdi. And thank you so much. You sent this a while ago and I was pregnant. I'm so sorry that I'm just not getting to it. But when I opened it, I was like, oh my God. So yeah, we have, I guess that's just like a plain flavor. I'm not gonna say plain, but regular cuticle oil. And then there is strawberry, and I think this one is cupcake. So I'm gonna go with the cupcake. And she also sent over some great essentials. This right here is a car seat opener. So you kind of put this in and you push down to open the car seat. Long nail problems. And also this card picker upper thingy for when like you're at the gas pump or the ATM and you need to clip your card on the end of it to get it out, because I've been that person to like ask people like, hey, could you get my card out for me? But now I carry tweezers, but this is way cuter. Thank you so much. Also sent over these little teeny weeny sample sizes. I think those are so cute. Ooh, I like this bottle. This is nice. And then she also sent some foils and some really cute scissors. This smells good. That smells really good. So yeah, this is her information. Verdi Rochelle, Love by Verdi. So go ahead and check her out. All right, so this is the finished look. Not too bad, especially since I haven't done acrylic nails in a long time. But I must say, I do like the Anacrylics acrylic. It is really different. I never had an acrylic that was like, that gave you all the time in the world without it being runny, if that makes sense. So yeah, definitely check it out if you can catch the re-up, because I had to stalk the website in order to get some of this on the launch day. So if that is something you're interested in, I will leave all the links down below. Thank you guys for watching. Talk to you in the next one. Peace.
This is the outro to the Long Hair Pretty Nail Show. Yeah.